Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to set economic calendar on FxPro account. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for FxPro, then click on the first link that pops up. As you can see, we're already logged in, so next we're going to click on the tools section, then click on economic calendar under it. So as you can see, this is the economic forex calendar. You can select your dates, your importance, the currencies as well. So you can select any dates you want, then click on apply. And also, depending on your importance, is it low importance, moderate, or high importance? As well as you could choose any currencies you want. It could be 2, 3, or as much as you want. Then once you select that, you're going to click on apply. So it's going to show you the economic calendar, as well as everything about it. So this is how you basically do it. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.